In this presentation, we're going to contrast a typical septic installation with a typical distribution box with the Septisurge. As you can see in this presentation, there are only 2 fingers that are getting any fluid, and as we pan around the box, you'll notice there are no more that are getting fluid. That means that the fingers that go out into the yard receive no effluent from the system. What we need to do is we need to have even distribution from the distribution box in order to maintain the proper effluent in all of the fingers that go out into the field system. This is the contrast with the Septisurge. Now momentarily you will see we have the garden hose going in, mimicking the effluent from the septic tank. When it deploys, the fluid will come out of all 6 of those fingers evenly, and each time it deploys it will reset. As you will see, it will stop and it will fill up again and then deploy. Any time now it's going to fire off and it'll surge out of all those ports and into the field lines. Now you'll see as the water is still coming in, mimicking the effluent, it will stop and reset itself. It will latch down, and then it will stop running out the pipes until it refills itself and then redeploys. What this action does is it evens the distribution among all of the fingers involved in the system. It also keeps the biomat from obstructing any of the ports that would prevent the fluid from going out to any specific finger. And it's just about ready to fire off again. You'll see a second surge. And we're going to keep the camera on the float, and you'll see it jump up and all the fluid will begin coming from the fingers. Now that surging also gives the system a breath of air as it displaces the air that's in the system. In a typical installation, it will actually back up some distance into the pipe that comes from the septic tank. We're getting an average of about 10 gallons of surge, 8 to 10 gallons of surge in a typical installation. In this demonstration, it's not that much, but you can see how the action fires off the system.